Private health insurance companies will pay a record $1.3 billion in rebates to consumers this year. The individual market alone will see consumers getting about $743 million in rebates. This is revenue that is collected by insurance companies from premiums that was not paid in care. And we'll talk about this medical loss ratio standard in just a second. But if you are in one of those states or one of those plans that is owed a premium rebate, you will see it shortly after September 30th. Issuers have to start getting those rebates out the door before the end of September. Now let's talk about the medical loss ratio, which created this rebate program in the first place. The Affordable Care Act set a standard called the medical loss ratio that requires an insurance company to spend about 80% of the premiums that they collect on healthcare claims. The other 20% they can keep for overhead and administration, marketing, profit, commissions, but 80% actually has to go towards care. If they don't spend 80% on care, then they have to pay back the premiums. So this is called the medical loss ratio. It's an 80-20 standard in most of the individual market. In the large group market, it's actually a little bit different, but think of it as that 80-20 standard across the board. Now, the medical loss ratio creates a rebate based on a 3-year average. So for any of the rebates that are issued in 2019, it's going to be based on the financial performance of that insurance company from 2016 to 2018. Insurers can offer these premium rebates in the form of a credit or in a lump sum payment. And when last interviewed, most insurance companies would be doing that lump sum payment. In the individual market alone, where we are in Wisconsin, consumers are going to see about 18.5 million, unlike the state of Virginia, where they're going to see close to $111 million in rebates. Tells you a little bit about how insurance was priced in the last year. You can read a little bit about the analysis of these consumer rebates coming out of the Kaiser Family Foundation, and we link to that in the description below. Thanks for watching.